Yoga empowers global health and unity. Yoga is an ancient practice that has been around for thousands of years. It has been known to promote physical health, mental clarity, and emotional well-being. However, the benefits of yoga extend far beyond just the individual practitioner. Yoga has the power to bring people together, regardless of their cultural and ethnic backgrounds. It promotes a sense of global unity and understanding that is essential in today's world. In this video, we will explore the power of yoga in promoting global health and unity. We will delve into its benefits for both individuals and communities, and discuss how it can help us build a more peaceful and harmonious world. Whether you are a seasoned yogi or new to the practice, this post will inspire you to embrace the transformative power of yoga and use it to create positive change in the world. The benefits of practicing yoga. Practicing yoga has numerous benefits, both for your physical and mental well-being. Yoga is an ancient practice that has been around for thousands of years, and it's not just a form of exercise, it's a way of life. Some of the benefits of practicing yoga include reduced stress and anxiety, increased flexibility, improved strength, better posture, and increased mindfulness. Studies have shown that practicing yoga can reduce the risk of heart disease, lower blood pressure, and improve lung function. Yoga is also known to boost the immune system, helping the body fight off infections and illnesses. In addition to the physical benefits, yoga has been shown to have a positive impact on mental health as well. It can help reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression, improve mood, and increase feelings of well-being. Yoga is also a great way to practice mindfulness, which is the act of being present and fully engaged in the current moment. This can help reduce stress and improve overall mental health. Furthermore, practicing yoga can promote a sense of unity among people of different cultures and backgrounds. Yoga has become a global phenomenon, with people from all over the world practicing and sharing their experiences. By practicing yoga together, individuals can foster a sense of community and promote unity among people from different parts of the world. Overall, the benefits of practicing yoga extend far beyond the physical exercise itself, and it can have a positive impact on individuals and society as a whole. One of the most widely recognized benefits of practicing yoga is its ability to reduce stress and anxiety levels. Yoga postures, meditation, and controlled breathing techniques have been found to have a calming effect on the body and mind, which helps to reduce stress and anxiety levels. This is due to the release of endorphins, natural feel-good chemicals in the body, that are stimulated during yoga practice. Endorphins help to reduce stress and promote feelings of relaxation and well-being. Yoga has been found to regulate the body's stress response system by reducing cortisol levels, a hormone released during times of stress. By reducing cortisol levels, yoga helps to reduce the negative effects of stress on the body, including increased blood pressure, heart rate, and inflammation. Yoga is also an effective tool for managing anxiety. Yoga practitioners around the globe said that they felt a reduction in anxiety levels. This is due to the fact that yoga helps to regulate the nervous system, which is responsible for the body's fight or flight response to stress and anxiety. In today's fast-paced world, stress and anxiety are common issues that affect millions of people globally. The ability of yoga to reduce stress and anxiety levels makes it an invaluable tool for promoting global health and unity. By practicing yoga, individuals can cultivate a sense of inner peace and calm, which can help to promote a more peaceful and harmonious world. A holistic player, yoga and worldwide well-being. Yoga has been recognized by the World Health Organization as a holistic approach to health and well-being. The practice of yoga encompasses physical, mental, and spiritual aspects that contribute to a healthy lifestyle. Regular practice of yoga has been shown to have numerous health benefits that can promote global health. Yoga has been shown to reduce stress and anxiety levels, which are major contributors to poor health. Chronic stress can lead to a variety of health problems, including high blood pressure, heart disease, and obesity. By practicing yoga regularly, individuals can learn techniques to manage stress and anxiety, resulting in improved overall health. Yoga also improves flexibility, strength, and balance, which can reduce the risk of injury and falls, particularly among older individuals. Additionally, yoga can improve cardiovascular health by reducing blood pressure, cholesterol levels, and improving circulation. The practice of yoga also promotes mindfulness, which involves being present in the moment and fully engaged in the task at hand. This can lead to better decision-making and improved focus, both of which are important for overall health. In summary, the practice of yoga offers numerous health benefits that can promote global health. By incorporating yoga into daily routines, individuals can improve physical, mental, and spiritual well-being, leading to a healthier, more connected world. Yoga is more than just a physical exercise. Yoga is a way of life that promotes peace, love, and unity. In a world where there is so much division, practicing yoga can help to bring people together. This is because yoga teaches us to be present in the moment, to breathe deeply, and to connect with our inner selves. When we do this, we are better able to connect with others and to see them as fellow human beings rather than as separate entities. Yoga promotes global health and unity. With the help of yoga, our future with improved global health and unity looks bright. The practice of yoga has grown in popularity in recent years and is now widely recognized as a holistic approach to health and well-being. As more and more people embrace yoga, it has the potential to become a powerful tool for promoting global health and unity. One of the most significant benefits of yoga is that it can be practiced by anyone, regardless of age, gender, or cultural background. This makes it a truly inclusive practice that has the potential to bring people from all walks of life together. As more and more people practice yoga, it has the potential to break down cultural and linguistic barriers and create a sense of unity among people from all over the world. Furthermore, yoga promotes a sense of inner peace and mindfulness that can help people to manage stress and anxiety. In a world that is becoming increasingly stressful and fast-paced, the practice of yoga can help to promote global mental health and well-being. In conclusion, yoga in promoting global health and unity is inspiring. More and more people embrace yoga, it has the potential to become a powerful force for positive change in the world. Whether you are new to yoga or a seasoned practitioner, you can play a part in this movement by sharing your practice with others and promoting the benefits of yoga in your community. The Ayurveda team hopes you enjoyed our contribution highlighting the power of yoga in promoting global health and unity. As you can see, yoga is more than just a physical exercise. Yoga is a way of life which offers a positive impact on both our physical and mental well-being. Additionally, the practice of yoga brings communities together and promotes a sense of unity among people from all walks of life. Join the Ayurveda Global Yoga community, www.onlyvedayoga.com/yoga-at-home-online/. You do your yoga comfortably online at home in your own timing with yoga teachers certified in India, and be part of a worldwide community of yoga practitioners. Be inspired. Do yoga at home.
Thank you for watching Only Veda Yoga. www.onlyvedayoga.com